Here we are. The space is as demoed and prepped as possible for us to now start laying flooring. We need to tackle removal of the wallpaper still in the entryway. So we're gonna go get some spray, let it soak, strip it off. Should be ready to go. There's still some drywall things that need to be addressed around some electrical work that we're doing in the kitchen. But we are in a stage now where everything is ready for all of that to happen. So let's take you through. And then our flooring was delivered today. Super exciting. 2,300 pounds of it. But yeah, so let's take you through and show you what's going on right now. Ceilings, no more popcorn. Hey, hey, super pretty, all smoothed out. Check it out. All the connections from the walls to the ceiling have been all smoothed out in there. Perfect. More ceilings. Here's where things will have to get re-drywall. We're moving the electrical, so flipped around this electrical panel again to give us more space in the entryway here into the kitchen. So we flipped and trimmed down this wall a bit, flipped the electrical to be on this side. So the switch will be there and it gives us more walking room into the kitchen. And I think we found a workaround for giving us more of this view with this electrical work that's happening all through here. So more to come on this. Kitchen is now obviously gutted. That's just an old screen. We have to throw that out, but kitchen's now ready to be rectified with some drywall issues. As you can see, we've got some holes and some discoloration. So we might just cut out patches of drywall to fill all that in and obviously smooth out all the walls so they're totally ready to go for tile work and all the cabinet hanging. This room was a whack-a-mole wall, remember? It was the big wall of mirrors, and then we took out all the mirrors. It had all those big glue dots on it. Our demo team and drywall guys did an amazing job. They really did. They did an amazing job smoothing out all of that stuff on this wall. So now I have a nice, really pretty, smooth textured wall. Oh, and what is all this, you might ask? This is all of our flooring. Remember in my previous video, I was telling you guys all about the Flooret moded rigid plank collection that we are putting down throughout our entire space. I can't wait. So the flooring got delivered today. It's pretty big for scale. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see if I can't give you some scale as to how much flooring this is. It's a lot of flooring. But the planks are really big. Remember, they're really big planks. They are much longer and wider than traditional luxury vinyl plank flooring. So it'll be really beautiful to have these nice big planks running all the way down into our space. And all this ceiling has now been completely smoothed out. Pretty cool. And as well as our master bedroom, the ceilings here, again, completely smoothed out and ready to go. Here's our fun future master bath. We'll get to that renovation later. This weekend, it's a long weekend, it's the Labor Day holiday weekend. Luckily I have my husband with me, so we're gonna tackle some projects here and, you know, get our hands dirty with making this house a little bit more of our own, and yeah, putting our own little stamp on things, putting a little sweat equity in. We brought up all the flooring ourselves, so yeah, we're pretty stoked about it. So I will round back with you guys here, either in this video again or another one. So I'll see you in a sec, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe next week.